6:15 now, and whether you're at home or at work, maybe you've heard two words come up a lot more regularly these days: social distancing.
That's what health experts are recommending everywhere in the wake of this coronavirus outbreak. But what exactly does social distancing mean? Michelle Lee is here with a lot of distance between us.
I was going to say, I'm more comfortable with this distance than you two should be sitting next to each other. But you've heard that term a lot. Undoubtedly, you're going to hear it a lot more. What is social distancing? Well, it means reducing face-to-face contact with folks to reduce the spread of disease. Let's talk about social distancing when it comes to being at home. Okay. Be at home, stay home. Don't go out in public when you're sick. Avoid medical settings unless it's absolutely necessary. And then give 6 feet of space from others. Wave instead of shaking hands. You know, you hear Governor Inslee say, okay, do the elbow shake. Well, waving's just as good, if not better. Practice excellent personal hygiene and do it all the time. When it comes to social distancing at work, make sure you minimize close contact with people, minimize groups over 10, encourage telecommuting, and then also clean your workspace, do it often. And then here are some ways to practice social distancing for those who are higher risk. Health experts say that people at higher risk should just stay home and away from large groups. Those people include people who are older than 60 years of age, or people who have underlying health conditions, maybe weakened immune systems, and then also pregnant women as well. Many experts think that this is the best way to break the chain of transmission. They're not saying at this point that it's going to stop the virus. They're not saying that anymore, but it could slow it down, and we are starting to see more social distancing across the country. And so, Jake, I know you have a tape measure.
Yes, I want to test this.
Let's put out 6 feet.
We were curious because 6 feet is actually a lot farther than you might think.
It is a lot farther than you think.
And you think that this is a joke. I mean, like, not a joke. You think it's kind of silly, like, oh, is it possible for me to stay 6 feet away from people? Well, I was looking on Twitter and online today, and like even the Pentagon, the briefings, the people are sitting in their chairs down 6 feet away from each other.
Let's anchor the newscast just like this.
I don't feel quite the connection with you, my friend.
I feel like I need to shout.
It's a little different. I can't reach you even if we tried.
I know.
You know,
see?
So it's longer than you'd think it would be, but safer, right? You're saying.
Yeah, and I mean, people are like at the, at the public official levels. They're taking it really seriously.
Well, they have to demonstrate that and model that, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. But it makes you wonder. Okay, like there are certain jobs where you cannot telecommute. Well, we have to be here in person, and so you do want to exercise the best precautions.
No hugging. No, I don't know.
No hugging.
You don't even do a fist bump.
You know what? I'm an extroverted introvert, and so I've been living for days like this. I'm like, okay, I'm ready for the social distancing.
You are not getting sick.
I'll say no to that. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Michelle.